Hello guys. In this section, again I want to talk about login page and some issues that we had in previous section. Let's go on and see what issues that we have. If you remember, in previous section, we created this simple login page, and when user tap on this login page, let me put the valid credential here. They are able to log in, but we have this login here and this back button here, and user able to click on that and able to back to the login page. That we shouldn't have that. Also, we don't need these headers in our application. Let's go and fix them step by step. So let's create new one. At first, let's start with the back button. Users that log in to the application should not able to should not have a back button to login page. We have it right now on the header. Okay, header of the main page. So let's see, let's move myself here. Let's see what's the response. Again, it's searching in our code base. It's adding some changes in our code. And here we can accept all the changes. If I accept that, and let me share my screen, try to log into the application, still let me re-render that and try to log in to the application. Still we have that login button here. So let's remove that completely. Still I have that back button. I don't need that header at all in login and main page. Please remove it completely. Okay, let's see what will happen then, because I want to have my own UI and change that. Let's see how it will change it. Let's accept those changes that it created, and let's refresh the application. If I share my screen, if you can see, we don't have that header anymore. And if I log into the application, we can see in the main screen also we don't have that header at the top. Okay, let's go back, and we want to work more on the login screen. I need a better UI for login screen. My branding color is, let's jump on Google here. Let's have this branding color. I will copy and paste this hex number My branding color is this. Please make the UI better. Let's see what will happen and how it will change the login screen for us. It's better to more specific. This prompt that I made is really general. Make the UI better. So how can I make the UI better? Make the bottom better. How can I make the bottom better? It's better to be specific. But let's see how it will goes, and I will provide more prompts after if the result is not something that we want. Let's see. If I accept the change and share my screen, here I can see the UI is good. It's not something like the UI that I showed to you on the preview section at the start of the course, but it's okay. I think it's beautiful, and I like that. Maybe we can remove this image at the top, or maybe we can add some image later. And I like this dating AI. I like the color. For the password, it's hide, but you can see that I'm writing the password right now. We need the option to hide and show password. For password field in login screen, I need to have I button to show and hide that, to show and hide it. Okay, that's it. Let's see how it works. It's generating the codes for us. If you know the codes for that specific language or framework, for example, if you know how you can write React Native, before you accept changes, it's better to review the codes, because at some times maybe it can break the functionality of your application. So it's better for first time, if it's the cursor at the code for you, it's better to review it at first, and after that you can accept that. But if you don't know anything, so just accept that and test it, and if it breaks something, you can ask again to fix that for you. So let me accept it and share my screen. Here I have this password field and eye icon here. I wrote something, and if I tap on that, we can see the password here. Okay, so what else we need here for the login page? We need sign up. We need a text here or a button here to link to a sign up page. After, it's better to say at bottom of forgot pass, I need a text to link to sign up page that I will create. I just want to have a text here and then I will create it later. Just let's see how it will look like. Let me bring this up. It's applying the chains. may take some times. So let me see in login screen. Do I have anything here? No. Okay, let's try again. It's failed to connect, it seems. It's creating and generating the codes again. Okay, let's see. The output will be something like this. You can accept that or maybe reject that if you want. It's also generating some sign up screen for us. If you want, you can accept that also, or maybe you can, for example, build it with another command. Let's see how it will create for us. Let's for now accept these changes that we have for the login, and we have the login page like this. Let's bring it up. Yes, it's okay. Don't have an account. Sign up. It's okay. And let me see the sign up screen. Let's accept all and see how it look like. Let me navigate to sign up screen. It's so simple and really like the login screen. If I go here, you can see sign up screen also with full name, email and password. It's okay for now. I will make some changes for the sign up screen in future sections.